Hello. Hello everyone. Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this quick video just as a weekly recap. So let's get started. This is the Aussie yen trade 20-minute closed on 12th April today, Friday. All of my trades so far, I closed them on Friday, as some was started today, as some the entry was yesterday, some day before yesterday. Very chaotic week for me, busy, very busy and doing other things. So was not very active in trading, but still pull out some of those trades. So this is Aussie yen. You will see all the trades the same date, 12th April today. I made these charts. Okay, so this was a sell, but this was a buy earlier last week, and this is the one I have made the chart. This is Euro Aussie. It's from 7-minute. I sent the message on Twitter that I'll be looking for 7-minute short entry, and I did. Okay, that was my first entry. It didn't work out. I pulled my SL to break even, knocked me out, and then the second one all the way to the downside. What's the next one? Is this pound Aussie? Same. I sent the message on the Telegram that the pound Aussie is about to drop and look for short, and I took the 20-minute setup, and you can see how it went. This is also on the Telegram. You can see I sent the message out that this is what's happening. Quickly I'll show you so that you know what we're doing here. That pound yen went all the way up to this area. So when I've sent out the message saying that GJ went up and then has finished a butterfly pattern on 33-minute chart. Today is Friday and lots of traders will be closing their shops, so we may see a drop because of profit taking, and I took the entry off of this 46.97 level, and then you can see all the way down. Not all the way, I mean it was a little bit, right? Something, and most likely it is just a retracement, and then we will go up again. Okay, so I'll show you how it is. Let me see what else I have here. Pound USD, similar, small short setup, right? And I think that's about it. Oh, the USD yen today also very nice. So that's what I'm saying. Yen pairs are now going to the upside. Okay, that was like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is whole impulse wave, but then we're gonna come down for wave 2 in an ABC fashion, and then continue to the upside. Okay, why? I'm going to show you the reason why. Okay, these are the trades. That's the only trades that I have. Okay, not too many trades this week, but this is the yen index chart I made on 15th March that I think that we're going to make a butterfly pattern here, a retracement all the way down here, and then go up, right? But what happened is that it just dropped here to the last wave 4, which is here, right there, and then it went up. Okay, it reverses on me. It didn't come all the way down. So this is how it is today. You see that it came here, and I was expecting that it will come down here, but it didn't. It right from here it started to go up. So wave 4, instead of coming down here, it got finished here, and then we are now going and making the wave 5 maybe all the way to the upside, because this is wave 1, 2, this big wave 3, this is wave 4, wave 5 might be to the upside. If you pull the fifth from here to here, then maybe it will be, for example, 127 and 1.618 of this drop here. So that's where we are going now, and all yen pair will be going to the upside, at least right here. Or see, these are the lines are coming in, is a very important lines around 127 and 141%, right? So this would be the area probably for wave 5 ending, and because of that, yen pairs will be going to the upside. So this is it for now, and hopefully I'll be making another video tomorrow for a different topic. I just finished one for my couple of my subscribers asking questions. I just made the video to answer that. So this is it for now. If you want to become a part of it, then go to my website. I think it's right there. No, it's not here. Yeah, it's right there. So okay, so this is my website. Go use this button and subscribe, and then start trading. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.